Okay children, so coming to the exercise part, first answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one, what are deficiency diseases? So what are deficiency diseases children? The diseases that are caused due to lack of proper nutrients in the diet are known as deficiency diseases. The diseases that are caused due to lack of proper nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Now, coming to the second question, which is the second question, what are the symptoms of night blindness? What are the symptoms of night blindness children? A person who is affected with night blindness won't able to see in the dark. We learned, isn't it? Skin becomes dry, eyes becomes dull, yes or no? Yeah. So the symptoms of night blindness are that the eyes of the person become very dull and listless, lose energy, comma, the skin becomes very dry and the person is unable to see in the dark. These are the symptoms of night blindness. Okay children? Okay. So children, coming to the next question, our third question. Give examples for rich sources of vitamin A. Means you have to write the food rich in vitamin A. Which are the food items? Food items like carrot, fish, various fruits, different fruits, milk and milk products, etc. are rich sources of vitamin A. These are the foods rich in vitamin A. Now, next question, fourth one. Which disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B? Deficiency of vitamin B causes which disease children? Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Vitamin B, berry. Like that you can remember. Vitamin B, beriberi. So the lack of vitamin B leads to a disease called beriberi. This disease affects the eyes, skin, body growth, muscles and blood of the person. So lack of vitamin B causes disease called beriberi. It affects eyes, skin, body growth, eyes, skin, body growth, muscles and blood of the person. Okay children? Next question, fifth question. Why were the sailors suffered mostly from scurvy diseases? Why? In olden days, sailors suffered a lot from scurvy disease. This was because the foods that the sailors carried for long voyages didn't have proper vitamin C. Because they are traveling long distances, they weren't able to take food rich in vitamin C. That's why they suffered a lot from this disease. In olden days, sailors suffered a lot from scurvy disease. This was because the foods that the sailors carried for long voyages didn't have proper vitamin C. Okay. Next question is, sixth question. What are the consequences of anemia? What will happen to a person who gets this disease? Anemia has various consequences like fatigue, loss of appetite, headaches, memory loss, disturbed sleep, etc. These are the consequences of anemia. What are the consequences of anemia children? Anemia has various consequences like fatigue, loss of appetite, headaches, memory loss, disturbed sleep, etc. Okay children? Okay. Coming to the next question. Question number 7. What are the symptoms of malnutrition? What is the question children? The symptoms of malnutrition. What are the symptoms of malnutrition? symptoms to identify that a person is suffering with malnutrition are fatigue, weight loss, bad appetite, nausea, diarrhea, difficulty to chew or swallow food, etc. These are the symptoms of malnutrition. Symptoms to identify that a person is suffering with malnutrition are fatigue, weight loss, bad appetite, nausea, diarrhea, difficulty to chew or swallow food, etc. Okay children? Children, coming to the next exercise, fill up the following blanks. First one, dash disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet. So, deficiency of vitamin A cause which disease? Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A? It is night blindness. Night blindness. Night blindness disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet. Now, second one, carrots, fish, fruits, milk, butter, etc. are all good sources of dash. Which vitamin? Good sources of which vitamin? Vitamin A. Vitamin A. Now, third one, scurvy disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Vitamin C. Scurvy disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Okay children? Okay. So, our next question, fourth question, dash disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Dash disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Deficiency of iodine causes which disease? Name that disease children. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Goitre. Goiter disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. Fifth question and last one, dash makes children weak and thin. Yes, what's the answer? Malnutrition. Malnutrition. Nutrition makes children weak and thin. Malnutrition makes children weak and thin. That's all about our filling the blanks got completed. Okay. Okay. Our next exercise is write yes or no for the following statements. Below there are some statements given children. You have to write yes or no whether it is right or wrong. First one, deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates causes malnutrition. Is it right children? Deficiency of proteins and carbohydrate causes malnutrition. Yes or no? The answer is yes. Malnutrition is caused by the deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates. Okay. Now coming to the second question. The second statement. What is written here? Beriberi disease is caused due to the deficiency of iron. Is it right? Deficiency of iron causes which disease? Which disease caused due to deficiency of iron? Yeah, deficiency of iron causes anemia. But here they have written beriberi disease is caused due to the deficiency of iron. Is it right children? No. So the statement is wrong. So the answer is no. Okay. Now coming to the third one. Scurvy disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Is it right, children? Yes, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. So the answer is yes. So yes. Okay? Okay. So deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates causes malnutrition. The answer is yes, because the statement is right. Beriberi disease is caused due to the deficiency of iron. The statement is wrong. So the answer is no. Scurvy disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. This is right statement. So answer is yes. Okay. Okay, our next question is fourth question. The fourth statement. Oranges, citrus fruits, cabbage, amla are rich in vitamin A. Is it right or wrong, children? Citrus fruits, oranges, cabbage, amla are rich in vitamin A. No, this fruits, oranges and cabbage and all rich in vitamin. Which vitamin? Vitamin C. So this statement is wrong. So the answer is no. Okay. Coming to the next one. A child suffering from night blindness should take a diet rich in vitamin A. Is it right or wrong? Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin A. So, a child suffering from night blindness should take a diet rich in vitamin A. Yes or no? So, the statement is right. So, the answer is yes. Okay. So, oranges, citrus fruits, cabbage, amla are rich in vitamin A. The statement is wrong. So, the answer is no. A child suffering from night blindness should take a diet rich in vitamin A. The statement is right. So, the answer is yes. Okay. So, children, our next question is, malnutrition is one of the major problems that children are facing in the developing countries. Discuss. So, malnutrition is a major public health problem in many developing countries. It is one of the main health problems facing women and children in the world. There are many reasons for malnutrition that we have already seen in the lesson, children. Yes or no? Yeah. Many families do not have enough food to feed everyone properly throughout the year. Many families, they don't have enough money to meet the needs, so to buy food to give to all family members throughout the year. There will be different causes for food shortages, some depending on the region in which we live. So it depends on large family size, small size of farming land, low income, etc. So why malnutrition is more in developing countries? Okay, what are the reasons behind that? That only I just explained you now. Okay, it is a major public health problem that we are facing in developing countries. It is one of the main health problems facing women and children in the world. There are many reasons for malnutrition. Many families do not have enough food to feed everyone properly throughout the year. There will be different causes for food shortages, some depending on the region in which they live. So, it depends on large family size, small size of farming land, low income, etc. Okay. Now, there is a table in your textbook. They are asking you to complete it. Deficiency of vitamins, diseases caused. So, they have written deficiency A, B, C, D, means deficiency of vitamin A. Cause which disease? Yeah, night blindness. Next, deficiency of vitamin B. B causes which disease? Beriberi. C, deficiency of vitamin C. Cause which disease? Scurvy. Last one, deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. So you have to write the name of the vitamin and its the disease caused by its deficiency. Already they have written deficiency of vitamins, name written A, B, C, D. Just you have to write in the next column what are the disease caused due to the deficiency of these diseases. Okay children? Deficiency of vitamin A. A causes which disease children? Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Night blindness. Now coming to the next one, deficiency of vitamin B. B causes, yes, beriberi. Okay. Next, deficiency of vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Yes. Now last one, D. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. These are the answers. Okay. So next, look at the images and name the diseases. You can see the images here. I have to name the which disease is that. Okay, first one. Which image is the first one? Yes, malnutrition. Okay. Now, second image. Name that disease. It is scurvy. Okay. What about the third one? Which disease is that? That boy is affected with which disease? Beriberi. Okay. Now coming to the fourth one. Yeah, the thyroid gland becomes swollen, isn't it? So which disease is that? Name that disease where the thyroid gland becomes swollen. There will be swelling in thyroid gland. It is goiter, G-O-I-T-R-E, goiter. Okay. Now, fifth one, that boy is not able to see in the dark. Which disease is that? Yeah, night blindness. Now last one, sixth one. See the legs of that boy, it became which shape? Curved shaped or bow shaped we can say. So by affecting which disease we will get like that, our legs becomes curved shape. Which name that disease? Which disease is that? Yes, rickets. Okay. Yeah, finished. So first image is malnutrition, second is scurvy, third is beriberi, fourth is goiter, fifth is night blindness and last one is rickets. Okay. Now it's time to do project work. Okay. There is a table again in your textbook. Complete the menu planner. So dinner, breakfast, lunch, snacks. So you have each day from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These many days were, all these days, what you have taken for dinner, breakfast, lunch, snacks. Just you have to write over there. Okay, and you have to see yourself whether you are taking a healthy meal or healthy food always. Okay. Now life skills. A balanced diet is one that gives your body the nutrition it needs to function properly. I told you earlier while teaching the lesson that we have to take food rich in all nutrients. Our diet should contain all nutrients in adequate amount. That is called a balanced diet. In order to get truly balanced nutrition, you should obtain the majority of your daily calories. What is calories meaning? It's a unit, what is that? Unit of energy we say. Means how much food you get, I mean, what how much energy you got after taking food or after drinking, the amount of energy your body take. Okay, that is calories. So in order to get truly balanced nutrition, you should obtain the majority of your daily calories from fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins. So in order to get a balanced nutrition, you have to take all these foods: fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins. Lean proteins means food which rich in proteins, beans, etc. Okay. So children, as I said, you have to take food rich in all the nutrients. All the essential nutrients should be added in your diet, and eat proper food on time and drink clean water, and chew your food properly while eating. You should wash your hands properly before having food and after having food. And some vegetables are there which we can eaten as raw, like carrot and all, isn't it? So before eating that, you should wash it properly. Your mother will wash properly all the fruits, vegetables, isn't it? Then you can eat. It is good for your health also. Avoid eating stale food, food which are not good, which are not properly covered, or avoid eating food from outside which are unhealthy. Okay, some unhygienic foods. You have to avoid eating all such foods to make healthy yourself. Okay, so eat good food and be healthy. Okay, thank you.